Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone! I received a package from Thank You Farmer. I want to say thank you to Hyejin for sending their Rice Pure series. So let's try to unbox. The first one is the Rice Pure Clay Mask to Foam Cleanser. It's a multifunctional clay mask and cleanser with a mousse-like consistency. Used as a clay mask for purifying pores with kaolin and bentonite clays, and as a cleansing foam for removing excess oil, cleansing pores, and gentle exfoliation. Next is the Rice Pure Essential Toner. It is formulated with a blend of rice extract and other natural ingredients that work to reduce the appearance of dullness and balance of oil-water content. It is good for dry and combination skin type. It is dermatologically tested and non-irritating. The last but not the least is the Rice Pure Gel and Cream. The gel has a lightweight formula that instantly calms down the skin irritated by sun exposure, while the cream is the best option for those who need extra moisturizing and nutrition care. Now let me show you how I use the Rice Pure series. First is the Rice Pure Clay Mask to Foam Cleanser. For this video, I'm using it as a mask. I just apply evenly on my dry skin except around the eyes and mouth. Dry for 1 to 2 minutes, moisten with water, massage gently and rinse with water. Dry your face with a towel and get ready for the next step of my skincare. After washing your face, put an appropriate amount on a cotton pad. For this video, I use a cotton pad and wipe it over the face, or take an appropriate amount on the palm and pat it along the skin texture for absorption. At the last step of skincare routine, scoop a quarter-sized amount with a spatula and gently apply all over your face in upward motions. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, as well as all the items that I feature on this video. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand and what do you think of it. And until next time, bye!
Bye!